Hey, this is Lady C. Welcome to Creative Studio. Here I'm giving some quick tips on how to use two different page orientations in the same Microsoft Word document. Let's take a look at my computer screen. You're going to notice that we have a 4-page document here on the screen, and we've got one page, and then we've got these other 2 pages that has information on it, and we've got a 4th page. Now, pages 2 and 3, I want these 2 pages to be in landscape mode, okay? Because you're noticing how, it needs to be spaced out more so than the text on page 1 and 4. And so basically, the natural inclination would be for someone to just change the page orientation, but if you change the page orientation, it changes the page orientation for all of the text. And I don't want all of the text to be affected by this page orientation going to landscape. So I'm going to just Control Z to undo that, or you can edit undo, okay? So I'm just going to undo what I just did, and I want to select the area of the document that I want to affect the change. So I'm going to put my mouse pointer right at that paragraph symbol, right in front of the I want to volunteer. And I like to go to the scroll box, because if you start moving this mouse, it's going to move the cursor off of the paragraph symbol, which is going to take it away from my starting point. So my starting point needs to be right above the text that I want to make the change for. So I'm going to just use the scroll box, and I'm going to just scroll down to the end of the text that I want to affect. So I got the starting text, and now I'm at the ending of the text. I'm going to hold the Shift key down, and I'm going to click at that paragraph symbol right beneath my text. So all I did was I selected a range of text, because this is the text that I want to make a change to. Now we're already on the layout tab, because you may have started off in your document and you might have been on the home tab, but we're going to be on the layout tab. And so from the layout tab, all you have to do is choose margins. So click on margins, come down to custom margins, click on that. When the window opens, look at the page orientation, see how it's set to portrait, but now we want to choose landscape. And you got one more step to go to make this complete. All you have to do is choose the application. So we're going to choose the drop-down arrow, and we're going to choose selected text. So we're giving the instructions to the computer, telling the computer, I've selected this block of text. I want to make this change to landscape, and then I want to only apply it to the selected text. So then just choose OK. And so now what you're going to notice is the text that you had selected is going to be the only text that's changed. As you can see here, this text on page 1 is still in portrait mode, but the text on pages 2 and 3 is in landscape. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. If you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button.